Welcome, Winsome Ones. My name is Heather, and today we are doing the fifth of a 5-part series on why French women wear vintage, with my red nail polish still. So in this chapter, which is to max out the lifespan of your clothes, Aloïs goes into all of the techniques and approaches that French women take to ensure the longevity of their items in their wardrobe, whether that is clothes, shoes, bags, belts, anything, that they make sure that they buy quality and that they make them last by continuing to repair them. A lot of what she says in this book really resonates with me. I do take a classic approach when it comes to buying my clothes, as well as how I look after them. And so much of what she was saying, I was just nodding my head in agreement. It's so good to actually read a book by somebody who just really resonates with me. This is a very practical chapter, giving lots of hints of how to look after your clothes after you bring them home. French women believe strongly about the need to care for them. Washing and drying. Wash less, sort clothes before washing. Let your clothes breathe after you've worn them. Remove stains before washing. Use wash bags. Use less detergent. Wash in cold water. Air dry your clothes. Use the clothes dryer as little as possible or not at all. Keep your wardrobe fresh. Alterations and adjustments. Simple tricks you can do to make clothes fit to purpose. I have addressed this before in my videos and I link them below on alterations and adjustments. Find a tailor in your local area. I will give you the details of my local tailor. Give your beloved items some TLC and either learn the requisite skills or take them to a professional who is skilled in this area. Looking after leather. Get a leather care kit and at least once every 3 months, nourish every new pair. She interviewed a cobbler who gives some practical tips on how to look after leather shoes. The key terms are hydrate, store, and protect. Now for the fun part. There are some styling options below. In order to make up all the outfits in the list, I will cast a wider net and throw open all the doors to my closet and use old as well as new items to make these outfits. So that brings us to the end of this series of Why French Women Wear Vintage by Aloïs Guinut. And I have learned so much about the French women's philosophy, and I can actually see why it is so enduring. And I genuinely do believe that when I hear a lot of the commentary about the fashion industry, everyone's talking in circles. Oh, we need to dress for our style, our colouring, our body shape, but this is on trend. Go and buy this new thing which is on trend. We need to make sure that we have garments of high quality and that we wear them on repeat. But I have a new event to go to. I need to buy something new. And this is made out of polyester. And it is frustrating because really, I think the solution is in this book. I do hope that you will join me next week. We're going to be starting a new playlist and a new series on style influences. So we're going to be starting with the iconic Audrey Hepburn and how she has influenced style. I look forward to seeing you then.